So walk me
Awesome.
through that. So what is your approach for creating a design concept for a new project, like step by step?
So the first thing that I do is I always go to the house, of course, or the space, whether it's a office or I do also commercial clients, and I just get a feel for it. That's the first step. I take a lot of notes. When I come back, I type up the notes. It's easier for me to just have. Every client has a binder, basically. And inside of that binder is a list of all the things that they want. So the most important thing is getting to know your client.
Okay.
What you need, what's gonna make this space look beautiful and functional? Because that's great if it looks gorgeous, but if it's not working for them and their lifestyle, then it doesn't make sense. And so that's the first step. Then I usually generate some kind of a design board, whether it's actual materials, if they would rather have that, or usually they're really cool with just me doing the virtual. I get a lot of ideas online. This is huge. But really, like magazines, I'm constantly reading literature and update on new designs and because they're changing daily. It's really important to be up on that with
So
your
how,
for your
how do you stay updated on the design trends?
yeah. So I am actually a little old school when it comes to that.